A+CAD is powered by IntelliCAD. It includes AutoLISP rendering and the ACES Solid Modeler. A+CAD features full compatibility with AutoCAD from versions 2008 all the way back to AutoCAD 2.5. In this demo, we are running the A+CAD software in Microsoft Windows Vista. It is also compatible with Windows 98, 2000, and XP. Let's close the tip of the day and get started. You can see the user interface is very similar to AutoCAD. You have a pull-down menu which is programmable, you have tools, and you have model space and layouts for paper space. Let's open a 3D drawing of a deck created in AutoCAD 2008. By selecting View, Rendering, Full Render, we can get a good view of the 3D geometry. From the top view, let's create a line. Just like in AutoCAD, using the L alias at the command line brings the line command. AutoCAD users should note the line tool icon, which runs the same command. We'll place the endpoint of our line here and snap to this endpoint over there. Before we plot this drawing, we'll use the File pull-down menu and select the Print Styles Manager to control the line weights and colors. Many people have developed their own plot styles, which are saved under the .stb or .ctb file extension. The final print is used creating the same plot command as AutoCAD. Now that we have finished editing and printing the deck.dwg file, let's open a new drawing by using a drawing template. Like AutoCAD, A+CAD uses .dwt for their prototype drawing template. Now that we have a prototype drawing created, let's draw a circle and give it a radius of 3. We'll add an additional circle at this point here with a radius of 0.5, and in the center a circle with a radius of 1.5. Using these 3 circles, we're now going to make a gear. With the array tool, we'll select a small circle and press enter. We'll make it a polar or a circular array. The center of this array is also the center of our circle. We'll array 16 items with a full sweep, 360 degrees, and rotate as we go. Like AutoCAD, A+CAD also creates 2D or region models. By using the region command and windowing all the objects, these 16 circles will now act more like a single gear. Regions are good for several things, such as shading and Boolean analysis. To see additional commands, let's right-click on the toolbar. We could uncheck some of these commands we're not using, but for now, let's just bring up some of the tools we do need. In the Solids Editing toolbar, there is an icon which references the Subtract command. Using this command, subtract the large circle from all of the smaller circles and remove these entities from the selection set. Let's create some depth to our gear using the Extrude command. Specify a height of 0.375 units and press enter throughout the command. To view what we have just made, select the View pull-down menu, look from Aerial Right Front. Now let's create a full render view. The Mask Property button will provide us with some interesting data regarding our object. It would be very difficult to find mass, volume, or center of gravity without tools such as these. Here we may also write the analysis information to a file. This file would be useful for stress analysis, prototyping, or computer simulations for our gear. A+CAD should be very familiar to anyone who has used AutoCAD before, and if you're new to AutoCAD, then you should definitely consider A+CAD because it is AutoCAD functionality, compatibility, and interface without the price.